Good morning, my dear student. Welcome to this new video. Chapter 2 Shapes and Angles Part 2. In this video, we will discuss about angles in names, change shapes, angle and time, the D game. First, we will learn about angles in name. Before studying these angles in names, we should remember previous class angles. What are the angles at them? We studied three types of angles. What are they? Right angle, angle less than the right angle, angle more than the right angle. What is right angle? We studied L-shaped angle is called right angle. What is the angle less than the right angle? The smaller than the right angle smaller than the right angle, that is the angle less than the right angle. What is angle more than the right angle? Which angle is greater than the right L shape? That is right angle. That is the angle more than the right angle. Are you remembered? Now we will see the topic angles in names through one example name Sukman. I written this name using lions. First we mark all angles in the name. How we can find out the angles in this name? Wherever the two lines are joining, that place one angle will form. Okay, here in this example, this is the first line, then this is a second line. Now, these two lines are joining here. This place one angle formed. Did you understand? Same way, all places you have to draw the angle. Okay. Then next, this place and this line. Sorry, this line and this line joining place, one angle formed. Next line like this here. Next here like this. Next letter here, here. The next here. These two lines are joining this place. Here these two lines are joining this place. These two lines are joining this place. How many? 3 it contain. Then here H. These two joining this place. Then these two joining this place. Here like this. Here M. And here only in the top. The space in between two lines. Here. Then here. Then here. Here. Now we marked the angles. Then what's our problem? We want to find out how many right angle, how many less than the right angle we have to count. First, see here, first angle we will take. Then this angle, how we can draw like this. Can you get L shape? Okay. Then next angle, this angle we will take. How we are getting like this. Next angle. Then next angle. This. Can you get L shape? These four are the L shape. So 4 angles are right angle. Here next letter. This also L shape. This also L shape. Then how many angles are right angle? 2 angle. Here this is it L shape? No. Is this getting L shape? When we are turning this one, you can get this shape. So this is the right angle. This we can't get L shape. This is not a right angle. How many right angle? 1 right angle. Here this we will get L shape. This also we will get L shape. This also we will get it. So 4 L shape. Here can you get L shape? No. Can you get L shape? No. Here can you get L shape? No. Here can you get here? No. No L shape. So no right angles there. How many angles are right angles are there? 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 how much? 11. 11 right angles are there. Now we will see the angles less than the right angles. See These two are right angles, though leave it. The third one come. This angle, when we are drawing like this, it come like this, isn't it? So this is the less than the triangle. Right angle. Next, this we calculated as a right angle. Then next angle, this angle like this. Okay, is it less than the right angle? Yes, less than the right angle. How many angles are there less than the right angle? Two angles. One, two. Two angles. Then here these are the right angles. Here come this. In this also less than the right angle. This also less than the right angle. How many angles? Three angles. Next letter. This also less than the triangle. Right angle. This also less than the right angle. Okay. Then this not. Okay. How it is looking? It is looking like this. This is not a less than the right angle. So this also same way. So how many angles in this? 1, 2, 3. 3 angles. Here this also less than the right angle. This also less than the right angles. How many angles? 2 angles. Now add how many angles are there less than the right angle? 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10. So total how many angles are there less than the right angle? 10 angles. Now, how many right angles are there? 11 right angles are there. Now we will see the angles less than the right angle. See here, first two letters only right angle. So leave this one. Third one come. Then first angle. This angle. How we can draw? Like this. Okay, this is less than the right angle. Understand? Okay, this we have taken as a right angle. So this one also, how we can draw? This angle. This also a less than the right angle. How many angles are there less than the right angle? Two angles in that letter. Then next, this full we are taken as a right angle. Next, this angle is a less than the right angle. This also less than the right angle. This also less than. How many angles are there? 3 angles. Here this less than the right angle. Here this like this shape you will get. This you will get. Next one like this. So both are the less than the right angle. This one we will get like this. Can you tell this is a less than the right angle? No, it is a bigger than the right angle. These two. So leave it. How many angles are there? 3 angles in this letter. Next, these two are the less than the right angle. How many? 2. So total how many angles are there less than the right angle? 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Total 10 angles are less than the right angle. Understand? Like this, you have to write 3 names and find out the right angle, less than the right angle and more than the right angle in the tabular column. In the page number 25, one tabular column is there. You have to fill it. Now we will see the next topic, changing shape. I will explain this topic using these shapes. I made this shape using the paper roll and straw. Paper roll and this straw. In the textbook they explained using the matchsticks and the rubber tube. If you have at home, you have to do yourself. Okay. Then what are the shapes are here? Here triangle, square, hexagons are there. Now we will find out how many sides are there in these shapes. First, triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. Okay. Then next, square. Square has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Then next, hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Okay. Have you seen? Then next, we want to find out how many angles are there in these shapes. First triangle. Triangle has how many angles? See here. Here joining two lines. So here one angle. 1, 2, 3. Triangle has three angles. Same like that. Square. Square has 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. Here hexagon. Hexagon has how many angles are there? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 angles. Hexagon has 6 angles. Okay. Now take each shape and push down it. Observe the angles. Before that, each angle observe. Then this angle is less than the right angle. This angle also less than the right angle. This also less than the right angle. Here, this angle is right angle. This angle also right angle. This angle also right angle. This angle also right angle. Here, this is ordered more than the right angle. This also 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 more than this also more than the right angle. If you are taking like this, if it is less than the right. Now take each shape and push down it. Observe any changes happen in these shapes. First I am taking the triangle shape, then push down. Any changes there? No changes. Okay. No changes in their angles. Okay. Then I am taking next shape. Next shape is the square. Then square and push down. That time that all angles are getting changed. See here, this previously we seen that square has right angle. Here when I am pushed down, all angles are changing. This is the less than the right angle. This is greater than the right angle. This is less than the right angle. This is greater. All angles are changed. Okay. Then next see here. Next shape. Now take the hexagon and push down it. See there, angles changing, how it is changing. All the angles are changed. Okay. From this, what did you understand? All shapes are changing their shapes. But triangle only not changing the shape. From the activity changing shapes, can you guess why triangles are used? These towers, bridges, etc. These places, why they are using? Because of this shape is not changing. Its angles are not moving. Remaining shapes are that changing. That's why they are not using remaining shapes. They are using only triangles. Okay, now you have to look around your places, find out where these triangle shapes are using.